Thank you for joining us for our first event of 2022. Introducing Friday Night Baseball on Apple TV+. We're introducing 2 gorgeous new finishes. iPhone 13 looks stunning in this bold new green, and iPhone 13 Pro in a sophisticated new Alpine green. Today, we're bringing our extraordinary A15 Bionic chip to another iPhone, the new iPhone SE. This is important for our existing users who want a smaller iPhone and a great value.
A15 Bionic packs a powerful 6-core CPU. It's up to 1.8 times faster than iPhone 8 and even faster compared to older models. The 4-core GPU is great for graphics-intensive use cases and delivers a monumental improvement for people upgrading. It features our iconic glass and aluminum design in 3 fantastic colors: Midnight, Starlight, and Product Red. It has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display. The display is even more protected by the durable design, which now includes the toughest glass in a smartphone. And with IP67 water and dust resistance, iPhone SE is designed to last. iPhone SE has the Home button with Touch ID for a secure, private, and easy way to unlock your iPhone, fill in passcodes, and make purchases with Apple Pay. And we're bringing 5G to our most affordable iPhone. The 12-megapixel camera and A15 Bionic create a new camera system that enables powerful computational photography. iPhone SE comes with all the incredible benefits of iOS 15, including new features like Focus to help reduce distraction and an all-new Maps experience. And you'll get intelligent capabilities that protect your privacy, like on-device Siri and on-device dictation. iPhone SE will get the latest iOS updates for years to come. And it starts at just $429.
This is the new, even more amazing iPad Air.
We're bringing the breakthrough M1 chip to iPad Air. The 8-core design of the CPU delivers up to 60% faster performance over the A14 in the previous generation of iPad Air. And M1's 8-core GPU delivers amazing graphics performance, which is up to twice as fast. And machine learning workflows are enhanced by the incredible 16-core Neural Engine, enabling powerful and intuitive experiences, like using Adobe Lightroom to intelligently select the sky from the foreground with just a tap. And these experiences really come to life on the Air's gorgeous Liquid Retina display, with its P3 white color, True Tone, 500 nits of brightness, and anti-reflective coating. It will now feature a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which means it supports center stage. We're bringing ultra-fast 5G to iPad Air. And to support fast connection to drives, docks, and cameras, we're increasing the performance of the USB-C port. It is now twice as fast. And iPad Air is compatible with amazing accessories that make it even more versatile, like the Smart Keyboard Folio and Magic Keyboard. iPad Air also supports Apple Pencil 2nd generation. And with the new version of Swift Playgrounds, users can build and submit apps to the App Store right on iPad. A new release of iMovie is perfect for aspiring filmmakers. The new Storyboards feature helps users create finished videos by using curated shortlists, transitions, and music for a polished result. And it comes in a gorgeous array of colors: space gray, starlight, pink, purple, and a stunning new blue. It will be available starting at the same great price of $599.
We're adding one last chip to the M1 family, and it's going to blow your mind. Here it is.
You see, M1 Max has a secret. It has a groundbreaking die-to-die interconnect technology that allows us to scale even further by building M1 Ultra from 2 M1 Max die, which doubles performance. And we connect the 2 die with our innovative custom-built packaging architecture. and we call it Ultra Fusion. It connects over 10,000 signals and provides an enormous 2.5 terabyte per second of low latency interprocessor bandwidth between the two die using very little power. In fact, with two die, the memory bandwidth is increased to a massive 800 gigabyte per second. That's more than 10 times the latest PC desktop chip. M1 Ultra supports up to a staggering 128 gigabytes of unified memory for enormous workloads. M1 Ultra also offers an unbelievable amount of compute performance. It has a powerful 20-core CPU with 16 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores to crush CPU-intensive tasks. It also features a huge 64-core GPU. It's nearly 8 times faster than M1. M1 Max delivers similar multi-threaded CPU performance to the latest 10-core PC desktop chip while using 65% less power. And when we compare M1 Ultra to the fastest 16-core PC desktop chip available, it delivers 90% higher performance in the same power envelope. M1 Max delivers similar performance to one of the most popular GPUs while using 1/3 the power. And M1 Ultra delivers faster performance than the highest-end GPU available while using 200 watts less power.
So now, let's talk about where we're going to use this incredible new chip. This is Mac Studio and Studio Display.
Height of only 3.7 inches. On the back, there are 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports to connect displays and high-performance devices. A 10 gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and a Pro audio jack for high-impedance headphones. Systems with M1 Max have 2 USB-C ports, providing 10 gigabits per second USB 3 data transfer. And with M1 Ultra, these ports are Thunderbolt 4, with up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. We can even compare Mac Studio with M1 Ultra to Mac Pro with 28 cores. It's up to 60% faster. It even exceeds Mac Pro with its fastest graphics card. Mac Studio is up to 80% faster. With M1 Max, you can access up to 64 gigabytes of unified memory. And with M1 Ultra, you get up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory for enormous graphics tasks. And when it comes to storage, the SSD in Mac Studio delivers up to a super fast 7.4 gigabytes per second of performance and up to 8 terabytes capacity. Mac Studio can play an unprecedented 18 streams of 8K ProRes 422 video. Over the course of a year, Mac Studio will use up to 1,000 kilowatt hours less energy than a high-end PC desktop.
Studio Display has an all-screen design with narrow borders. You can also choose a tilt and height adjustable stand option. Studio Display features an expansive screen that has a 27-inch active area with a total of 14.7 million pixels, making it a 5K Retina display. There's a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It supports Center Stage, which comes to the Mac for the very first time. It also includes an array of studio quality mics. They have an especially low noise floor for crystal clear calls. Studio Display also features a high fidelity 6-speaker sound system. It has 3 USB-C ports that deliver speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. So you can connect peripherals, storage, and networking right into the display. And there's a Thunderbolt port, which allows you to connect Studio Display and any plugged-in peripherals to your Mac with a single cable. That same cable delivers 96 watts of power, which allows you to charge any Mac notebook. And it can even fast charge a 14-inch MacBook Pro. And you can connect up to 3 Studio Displays to your MacBook Pro.
Mac Studio with M1 Max starts at $19.99, and Mac Studio with M1 Ultra starts at $39.99. No other desktop in the world can offer this level of performance and capability at this price. And the Studio Display, with its awesome set of features, is $15.99. And it can be configured with nanotexture glass and a choice of stand options. You can order both products today, and they'll be available on March 18th.